Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Uno Extreme is probably one of the most exciting and unpredictable card games ever created. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Uno Extreme, exploring its unique features, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Get ready for a whirlwind of card-flinging action, strategic decisions, and the thrill of the unexpected. Let's find out if Uno Extreme deserves a spot in your game night rotation. Number 5. Mattel Uno Flip. Card game in storage tin. This is Uno Flip, the classic card game you love, but with a surprising twist. It's easy to learn and fun for everyone. Get ready to flip the deck and change the game. This version comes in a convenient storage tin, making it perfect for travel and vacations. You can easily take it with you wherever you go, ensuring fun is always at your fingertips. The deck has two sides, a mild side for classic gameplay and a wild side with tougher challenges. Play the flip card to reveal a whole new set of numbers and colors. Uno Flip includes action cards with tougher penalties, like draw 5 and skip everyone. These cards will change the game and create exciting moments. The deck has special graphic symbols on each card to help identify its color. This feature allows players with any form of color blindness to play and enjoy the game. It's fun for kids and grown-ups, making it a great addition to your game collection. Get ready for family game nights and parties with this exciting card game. What we like. This version offers a unique twist with its double-sided deck, providing two different gameplay experiences. The travel-friendly tin makes it perfect for on-the-go fun, whether you're at home or traveling. If you're looking for a game that offers variety and portability, this is a great choice. What people say. Durable cards and easy to store. The travel tin keeps everything clean, organized, and protected, perfect for camping trips, airplane rides, or tossing into a backpack. The bold symbols make it effortless for anyone to play. Number 4. Mattel Uno Card Game in Travel and Storage Tin. Get ready for the classic Uno experience. This game is all about matching colors and numbers to get rid of your cards. It's fun for everyone. Action cards and wild cards bring the excitement. The reverse card can switch the direction of play. It adds unexpected twists to the game. This deck includes blank wild cards. You can create your own house rules. Make each game unique. Don't forget to yell Uno when you're down to one card. Keep score and be the first to reach 500 points to win. The deck is colorblind accessible. Special symbols on each card help identify the color. Anyone can play this game. Designed for 2 to 10 players ages 7 and up. This beloved game is a classic toy for friends and family. Enjoy the fun together. What we like. This classic version provides the traditional Uno experience we all know and love. The inclusion of customizable wild cards allows you to create your own house rules, adding a personal touch to each game. If you enjoy the original Uno and like the idea of tailoring the game to your preferences, this is a must-have. What people say. The game is easy to learn and fun to play. The kids love it and it is a great family game. It is a fun game for all ages. Number 3. Mattel Giant Uno Card Game. Get ready for a giant experience with this oversized Uno game. The cards are 3 times the size, making a huge impression. It's perfect for game nights and parties. Players match colors or numbers to get rid of their cards. Use action cards strategically against your opponents. Don't forget to yell Uno when you're down to your last card. This deck includes 2 blank wild cards. You can create your own house rules and change them every time you play. It adds a unique twist to the classic game. The deck is designed to be colorblind accessible. Special graphic symbols on each card help identify the color. Everyone can join in the fun. Designed for 2 to 10 players ages 7 and up. This beloved game is a classic toy for friends and family. It's a great way to spend time together. What we like. This version takes the fun to a whole new level with its giant cards, making a big impression at any game night. The customizable wild cards add a layer of personalization to your gameplay. If you want to make a statement and enjoy a visually striking game, this is the one for you. What people say. The game is easy to learn and fun to play. It's a great game for family game night. The kids love it. Number 2. Kids Against Maturity, hilarious family card game. Tired of the same old games? This is the perfect tool to upgrade playtime. It delivers age-appropriate humor for kids and clever innuendos for adults. Enjoyed by all ages and best with 4+ players. Perfect for travel. This set includes 600 question and answer cards in a portable box. Take it with you camping, on road trips, or to family gatherings. It's a reliable go-to for quick fun. This game uses fill-in-the-blank gameplay, bringing your family together. It's ideal for kids ages 10+ and adults looking for fun. Quick to learn and guaranteed to spark giggles. Each player gets 10 answer cards and takes turns asking questions. The funniest answer wins. It's a simple, fast-paced game perfect for mixed age groups. It's an easy hit for family game night. Looking for holiday fun? This is perfect for Christmas or Thanksgiving. It's a great gift or stocking stuffer. Just remember, humorless parents beware. It gets kids away from screens for some quality time. What we like? This game brings families together with its hilarious, age-appropriate humor, perfect for kids, teens, and adults. The portable design makes it ideal for travel, camping, or any family gathering. If you're looking for a game that guarantees laughter and fun for the whole family, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The game is easy to learn and fun to play. The Uno Extreme is a great game for family game night. The card launcher adds an extra element of excitement to the game. Number 1. Mattel Games Uno Splash Card Game. Get ready for Uno fun, anytime, anywhere. This is the special Splash Edition. It's perfect for your next adventure. These cards are made of durable, waterproof plastic. You don't have to worry about spills or splashes. This makes it ideal for outdoor play. The handy clip keeps all the cards together. It easily attaches to your beach bag, backpack, or camping gear. It's easy to carry around. Play by matching color or number, or use action cards to challenge your opponents. The goal is to be the first to empty your hand. Don't forget to yell Uno when you have only one card left. Now, you can enjoy this classic card game wherever you go. With Uno Splash, the fun never stops. Grab a set and start playing today. It's perfect for travel, camping, or game nights. What we like? This version features waterproof cards, making it perfect for outdoor fun, whether at the beach or camping. The handy clip keeps everything together, making it easy to take anywhere. If you enjoy playing Uno in any environment, especially near water, this is the perfect game for you. What people say. It comes with a convenient carabiner to keep all of the cards together. This version of Uno on the splash cards means we don't have to worry about accidental spills with the kids playing along. The water-resistant plastic cards are a game changer, making this version of Uno perfect for camping trips, beach days, or poolside fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.